If you're looking to earn online from your skills, content, or audience, we've got you covered. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're breaking down the best platforms for creators to make money online, whether you're a writer, designer, social media creator, or marketer. Let's dive in. Number 1, YouTube Partner Program. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can earn through ads, channel memberships, and super chats. It's one of the most powerful platforms for creators to earn passively from content you already make. Number 2 is Patreon. Patreon lets your audience support you directly with monthly subscription. Offer exclusive content, early releases, or behind-the-scenes access, and you get recurring income. Number 3 is affiliate marketing. All you have to do is promote products that you love and earn commissions on sales. This works great for creators who make tutorials, review, or top products content. You recommend, they buy, and you earn. This is why with the new Prompten 2.0, which is an affiliate marketing style platform built for creators, you can promote digital products, templates, tools, and earn competitive commissions. What makes Prompten cool is that it is designed to be creator friendly with easy sign-ups, clear dashboards, and flexible payout options. It is perfect if you want to monetize your audience without complex programs. Number 4, sell digital products on Gumroad or Sellfy. Do you have ebooks, presets, guides, or courses? Platforms like Gumroad let you sell digital downloads directly to your audience. You keep most of the profits. No middleman. Number 5, TikTok Creative Fund and Live Gift. For short-form creators, platforms like TikTok offer in-app monetization through creator funds and gifts during live streams, so your engagement turns to earning. Whether you're just starting or scaling up, there's a way for everyone to earn. Comment below which is the first one you want to try, and if you found this helpful, hit that like and subscribe button. Click the link in our description to sign up and start earning.